So this is an Mini SLA printer I just got for $75 on eBay. So I'm connected wirelessly to the printer, and this is the interface. This actually shows the layer it's working on right now. Frog's actually got a little drain hole, like his butt, in the very bottom. And you can go over and see the settings. And it shows the layers. And the ETA. But we'll be back after we have a finished frog. Hopefully a successful frog. So I paused the print real quick just to see what we have. And we have the makings of a frog. I'm going to continue it back and let it keep going. So we have an upside down frog. I'll get it peeled off of here. And actually I didn't have a spatula, so I 3D printed one on my Chiron printer. But I'll be back once I get this off. Nice smell of resin. So here's the frog after he had a nice little wash in the alcohol bath. And he is a crystal clear frog. But if you have any questions, post them below. Let's see if I can get a couple more prints out of this little bit of resin. I've got some more on the way. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.